Okay, we're on this side of the bike. Excuse me. Let's continue ripping and tearing. I have no idea what we're filming. I can't see. I can't see a damn thing. I think we're filming the bike. We're outside. You can't see nothing. Let's see. Here's an ugly piece of crap. And I got hot in the sun. Hot, hot, hot. Shit, bolt good. Crap running everywhere. Find out where all the parts were later. Yeah, they went down. Yeah, they went down. Still got more up in there though. Oh well. That. Okay. The line comes out. Parts. Told you they'd come out. Okay. I'm gonna do a field test. Contact. Oh, geez, that's hard. Flowing good. She flows good. There's full tank. Reserve, I'm guessing. And then off. Okay, so we have good fuel flow. It actually smells like relatively fresh gas. So it's relatively fresh. What we can do with all this gas? Oh geez, I spilled it. Oops. Hazmat. Oh my God, what are we gonna do? I cleaned my pan out though, secondary response. Yeah, my pan's cleaner now. Oh well, we'll have to deal with that hazmat problem later. I got more important stuff to deal with here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the clamp off that and get the hose out of the way. We know it flows good fuel and the fuel in the tank is relatively good. That's a big plus. That's two things I don't have to worry about. And I think I'm pointing forward. Really hard to tell. Okay. Somewhere over there's a screwdriver slot. Yeah, right there. Upside down backwards, I can't see it. Perfect. No problem. I don't see a problem with that at all. Well, that rubber does not work. Loosen up some more. It should be loose enough though. Clamp's loose, the hose should be loose. Who is this? Kind of stuck to it. Yeah. It's rotating now. Bigger tools. There we go. Oops, gas leak. We'll leave that out here because it stinks. Oh, I got some on the footboard. Oops. Wipe that off before it gets old. It might eat the rubber away. Clean primary too, now we've got some cleaning fluid on the bike. Yeah, didn't help it much, it's still dirty. Alright, good. Appears to have a gas leak underneath the bike. Start the bike. For that angle. out hard for some reason. Some magic tonic down there. Right in the pan where it belongs. Good shot. There. Okay, motor mount wires come out the unit. Out of the way. Get access to the intake manifold now. And the carburetor. Looks like they capped off the VO switch in there. This is a horn wire. I'm guessing no VO switch was ever used. Okay. Yeah, the camera got hot. Camera don't like being in the sun. Can't blame it. I don't like being in the sun either. I'm gonna put the camera over here now, out of the sun. Stupid camera don't like being hot. There we go. Yeah, I can see better now too. There's a motorcycle there in front of me someplace. Kind of sort of see something. Yep. Tripod's falling apart here. Okay, where did I leave off? I forget. What was I doing? Something important. Carburetor. There we go. I like these old style tools. They work really nice. If you undo this bolt all the way, the carburetor falls off, so probably should go over and hold on to it. Ugh. Throttle cable's not happy over there. Okay, this carburetor looks really, really nice and clean here, see? This is not black coated. It is black putrid coated. In and out, it looks the same. So first we're going to dump the fuel out of it so it doesn't make a mess in my shop. Very important. That spider didn't like it. Center pump doesn't work. Just keep turning over back and forth several times. Fuel keeps coming out. When it quits coming out, it's probably good. Alright. That fuel didn't smell as clean as the last stuff. It smelled kind of like it's been sitting there for a while. Not too bad. I guess 4-year-old fuel isn't that bad. It's that 10 and 20-year-old stuff that really stinks. Okay, so now we got the carburetor away. Let's go ahead and pull the intake manifold off so we can put new seals in it while we're in here. So these are just hex head over here on this side, so we don't need this fancy Allen wrench. Just a fancy combo wrench. 12-point combo. like that, like that. Now these are slotted, so you don't have to pull them out all the way on this side if you don't want to. It does not want to turn. That one kind of turns. There we go. This one coming out tight. I can't really see what I'm filming, so hopefully I'm getting something there you can see. It's hard to film outside, you can't see a damn thing. This bolt is coming out hard all the way, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the bolt out so I can clean the threads up on all this stuff. Stuff's all been sitting for a while. Yeah, pretty dirty looking. Okay. Alright, that bolt's out. Pull the manifold now. Ugh. Nice and stuck. Nothing holding in there, but it was stuck. Did not want to come out. Okay. Take this stuff inside where we can see better. Ooh, it's cooler. Alright. Got dirty. Alright. So we pull this off to take a look at it. See how it's all black around the edges here? That means it was leaking. That means these O-rings in here are crispy and not sealing. So we're going to go ahead and put new O-rings on this. Get that to seal it better. These are well stuck down to the head, so I don't think these were sealing. We're having a sealing problem. They look pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put new ones in there though, because we want to make sure we got new product in there. This cap up here, I don't like caps on anything because they tend to leak. So I like to solder those things up solid so you don't have to worry about leakage. These rubber caps will get cracks in the top, you don't see them, and they'll leak like a sieve, cause problems. This one looks okay. It's pretty hard though. If I keep pushing on it, it's going to break. So I might as well just get rid of it and take care of the problem. This is the stock S&S intake with that stupid fin in there, which means the heads probably have it too. Oh, there, that came off. Nice. Nice and stuck, see? Oh, there it goes. You know, it moved, but it ain't exactly coming off. There, it came off. That was on there. Yeah, it looks like this was sealing pretty good, but we were having blow by on the manifold. It looked kind of burnt. Okay, that was worth it. Yeah, got dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. So I went up and grabbed some parts when I was upstairs, so I got a new air filter on if I want to use it. This is the only backing plate I had, which is not the same as the one that came out of it. This here is the old style one with a tube that comes up at an angle. This is the new one. Comes straight out. They have like 4 or 5 variations of these backing plates. So there's lots of different variations with just the puke tubes, and there's 3 or 4 more variations by chokes, no chokes, stuff like that. So anyway, I can use this, and I'll have to use the new breather system. It goes a T that goes from here to here, which I have. It'll eliminate this stupid thing here, but that means I got to put a kit on it because it's missing all the parts. Yeah, we'll see. Or maybe I can have this. What is this? That's the lower hose. This is where the breather is supposed to go. So they just have this whole wide open This rusty, dirty hole is wide open to the inside of the motor. Going through the bypass of the air filter element. See, it's on the inside of the filter, so it doesn't do anything. Yeah, if you're going to have a nasty piece of crap like that, you should at least make it correct. So I'm going to eliminate all this stuff and go to the later design, which should be in here someplace. And it's one of these kits here. Different breeder fittings. Anyway, I got the pieces in there to do it. So I think I just update that to the newer design, get rid of that stupid crossover. That's the old way of doing things. Alright. Don't scrape that up. Alright, I'm going to clean this stuff up and we'll be back.